Ziggy, you got about an hour before she gets here. Relax, buddy. Ziggy, Bentley just left, bud. Is that what you're doing? Are you longing for Bentley? Ziggy. Zigster. Ziggy man. Ah, buddy. I know you're behind me. I know. No kisses. Hi, Big Bob. Hi, Big... Come here, Bob. Come here, Big Bob. Hi, Big Bob. Come here, buddy. Hi, Big Bob. Hi, Big Bob. How are you? Hi, guy. I'm glad you finally got up. I'm glad you got up. There's your sister over there, just chilling. Just relaxing. Good boy, Bob. Are you a handsome fella? Are you a handsome fella? Oh, yes, you are. Somebody's kissing me in my ear. Who would that be, huh? Who's kissing me in my ear? Who's back here kissing me in my other ear? Who's kissing me in my other ear, huh?